But you have to open it like carefully.
Secret.
Keep it straight.
No! There's something in the top.
Read it.
That's what I made for you.
Read it out loud.
That was my present to you.
Read it out loud.
What's it say?
There are 73 million people with an iPhone. You're not one of them. Team.
Hashtag team no iPhone.
Where'd you make that?
Now read this one.
Just kidding. Hashtag team iPhone. I'm so excited.
Where'd you get those shirts made at?